Mariska, and today I would like to talk to you about some DIY ideas of how you can actually make your own wrapping this Christmas by upcycling something that you already have at home. There are all great ways to actually wrap your gifts. You do not have to go and buy gift wrapping paper. That's just going to end up in a bin, and most of those papers has got a plastic lining, so it cannot be recycled. So rather save your money this year and every single year by using stuff that you already have at home to actually wrap your gifts. You can even add a little twine, maybe some dried out or dehydrated citrus, and just give it a little bit of a pop of color. The possibilities is really endless. Here are just some of the examples that I've done, whether it was from empty toilet paper rolls, some newspaper clippings that I used to create a bow, and also making my own funky gift paper just by adding splashes of color. You might not know actually where to start, but just think outside of the box. Have a look, see what you've got at home lying around, and just rather, instead of looking at something as waste, look at this waste as a resource that has just been misplaced, and be a little bit creative and see how you can actually upcycle some of your items instead of buying new wrapping paper this year. And look at something that you can actually upcycle and give that item a second chance in life.